Hello everybody, hello family, this is Rey Ponce here. Today I'm thrilled to announce a really good and really cool partnership with this amazing brand, which is Collision Drumsticks, right? So I'm playing currently in Barcelona, in Spain. I'm an independent drummer, and I'm collaborating with a lot of local bands from around, and I choose to play Collision's 5A Reach. So why? Because I tend to play like a little bit far from the drum set, and I want to have some range for playing, and I think these are perfect drumstick for that. And I also like the weight and the rebound that they come out from my playing. So what I love about Collision is, first of all, is the approach that they gave us, the artists that we are working with them, and also the personal how they approach to us, and how they work with us personally, the calls, the chats, and all that. And I think they are really involved in our playing, and they are really involved in our drum as musicians. So I want to show you how I use these drumsticks in the drum set, and I'm gonna play a song called Canción a mi hermano, which I recorded in Cuba like 2 years ago. Okay, so this is Canción a mi hermano from Juan Carlos, a really great guitarist from my country. So let's do it.